Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Yaron Gabel and I am the Senior Clinical Education Manager at Young Innovations. In this video, we will talk about what PuraFill is, what makes it special, and how it compares with other collagen plugs in the market. We will also describe its preparation, use, and presentation. PuraFill is a radiopaque composite bone grafting plug utilized for predictable socket preservation, potentially allowing implant placement after 6 months of initial grafting. It contains collagen and synthetic carbonate-apatite bone graft particles, which allow it to easily conform to the shape of the extraction socket and making it easy and simple to deliver to the site without the need to mix any particulate. PuraFill requires no membranes to be added and has a reduced risk of lost particle release into the oral cavity as the collagen binds the bone graft particles together in the plug. It's comprised of 80% synthetic carbonate-apatite granules and 20% bovine-derived collagen and is indicated for socket preservation, ridge augmentation, and sinus lifts. The PuraFill bone plug can be placed pre-hydrated or dry depending on clinician preference and does not require use of a barrier membrane. When handling PuraFill, the following steps are recommended. Cut the PuraFill plug into the desired shape and hydrate it for 1 minute if you would like to manipulate it before placement. Alternatively, the plug can also be added dry into the defect area and hydrated directly in it. PuraFill not only contains and stabilizes the bone graft particles within a grafting site, but also has incredible absorbing properties which helps it stabilize the blood flow to support adequate healing. The product expands on absorption of blood and adapts to the extraction socket size so there are no gaps left within the defect site. PuraFill requires no donor tracking and comes in 10-pack presentations of a standard size of 10 by 20 or 6 by 25 size for anterior cases. When using PuraFill, please place close attention to the following indications and counterindications. Due to its incredible benefits and versatility, PuraFill is a simple and effective solution for socket and ridge preservation. So why wait? Check out PuraFill and other Young Surgical products online at www.youngsurgicalsolutions.com. I hope you found the contents of this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.